Hey everyone, welcome back to Fresh Squeezed RC, and today I thought we'd do a little update on this HPI WR8 Chem Block Ford Fiesta. And this is their 8th scale rally car, and yes, the chassis has been around for a few years, but does that make it a bad thing? No. This car is a certified ripper, like I said before, and it's holding up really, really good. I'm going to go over just a couple of things, issues, if you will. The body has one tiny crack, so I don't know if that's a deal breaker for you. It's not for me. It still looks great and it's still holding up really good. Now the ESC came untaped the last time I ran it. It's not a big deal. And actually one of the first times I ran it, first few times I'd say, the ESC switch, I don't know if a rock hit it or something, but it did break off the side of the ESC. It still works fine. I moved it up here to the body mount area and zip tied the wires, and everything's fine. And then 2 of the tires have failed. Not a big deal. They're street tires, and I've been running this thing on the dirt and rocks and gravel and street, and I've been running it hard. So I'm not mad about that, and it just gives me a good excuse to upgrade. I got a couple minutes of really awesome footage for you guys to check out, but first I want to talk a little bit about this battery that I've been running in it. I've run other 3S batteries in it, but I've been using this Ovonic 3S battery that they sent me. It's 50C discharge and 5,000 milliamp hour, and so far so good. It charges up, evenly and discharges evenly as well. Also, don't forget to check out my sponsors. I'm going to have all those companies listed in my description down below, and let's get to the action. I'll see you guys in a couple days. Enjoy.